back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo. Today I'm at the allotment. Yeah, I just thought we'd do something a little bit different. So if there's background noise, please forgive me. Lots of wind this morning, but it's a beautiful morning. So nice. Well, welcome back. Today, what day are we on? Come on, that's good. We're on day 8. Today we're looking at sleep. How many of you would say you have a restful night's sleep? Some would say yes, some say no. But sleep is really important for the body to replenish itself, and it's at night time that really and for want of a better way of describing it, so it's like when all the waste and the toxins, are eliminated from our brain. So it's almost like our brains going to the toilet, getting rid of all of that gunk and garbage, and that's why sleep is so essential for us. Sound, restful night's sleep. And there are lots of things we can do to help our sleep pattern if we struggle with sleep. One, have a nighttime routine. Always start that, routine, the same time, same place. You can change up what you do, but have a regular routine. Be sure that when you're going to bed, you're free of devices, free of your phone, free of your laptop. Just turn them off and kind of at least an hour, 2 hours before it's time for bed, and just relax. Do something soothing, have a bath, have a massage, do a face mask, foot mask, whatever is good. You feel that, helps you to relax. Maybe even having a hot herbal tea like chamomile, which is so good for sleep. And then, just relax, close your eyes, think of positive things that have happened throughout the day, and really we're looking at, depending on your age, but for adults, looking at 7 to 8 hours of sleep. As you're younger, the younger people will need more sleep. So it's important not to be burning the candle at both ends, because that's where our bodies need to replenish and refresh themselves. And it's only when we're sleeping that this can be done. And there are so many other diseases that come along when we don't have restful sleep. So I would just say, above everything else, get into a regular routine. Try to be consistent with your bedtime. And in the medical world, they do say 2 hours before midnight is better than 2 hours after midnight. And those 2 hours before midnight actually account for 4 hours of sleep, restful sleep. So, let's get that restful sleep going on so we can be in better health. Thank you for joining me on day 8. Look forward to seeing you on day 9. Take care and God bless. Bye.